This is our salt. This is our water. This is our towel or rack. If you are wondering why, salt is very crucial in fish farming. And as a fish farmer, you must have salt in your farm. I will use the salt in different purposes. First has to do with this salt bathing, and that's what you're going to do. Once you set up a tarpaulin pond or concrete pond, whatever pond, you need to salt bath it, and that will help kill bacteria or fungi. That is possible, likely to contaminate the water to affect the fish. Salt bathing help that. But take note, if it is concrete pond, the salt alone cannot solve that. If it is newly constructed tarpaulin concrete pond, you need to cure it first. We have other videos talk about that. You can check it out, how to cure the concrete pond. But this, after you cure in the concrete pond, you can now use salt to salt bath it. But tarpaulin, that's why we love it. Just set it up, salt bath it, and it's good to have your fish. Boom, you are gone. Now, we add an amount of salt into this water. It doesn't depend or doesn't have specific measurement, but make sure that you have enough to kill the bacteria inside it, and don't also overdo it. In this case, we just put a spoonful of it. We kept small already earlier, so we'll leave that. Now, so you now dissolve it. So after you dissolve it in, put the towel, wet it, and then you wrap it. You need to do that on the edges and on the bottom. So if you want, you can start with the edges or the bottom. It's all up to you. Now, we are going to do this to all places around the pond. Not only the pond, in the process of your raising of the fish, anything or any equipment that you want to put inside the fish pond, either a scooping net or like all these systems, the safest thing to do is put salt in water again and clean that thing. Clean that thing before putting it inside the pond. Just because that thing that you are putting in the fish, it might have external bacteria or contamination. So the salt can help kills that, and that you will be safe. Don't always just put in things without salt bathing or disinfecting it. So this is serving as disinfectant. Now, the farm that we are currently in, I told them earlier that we use salt to kill catfish or fish in general. And then when I also said we use salt to treat fish, they were surprised. They said, but you said earlier it kills them. Now we are treating fish with salt. This is how it is. We are using this for or as disinfectant, disinfecting the pond or the material. But if you want to kill fish and you harvest them, especially a catfish, in a container or in a different thing, and there's no water inside, and then you put in the fish or you put in the salt, add salt into them, you'll find them to be shaking. It is burning them. Even if you don't close it firmly, they will jump out. So you need to close it. When they jump to an extent, they cool down. Leave them within an hour or less, they'll all be dead. Especially catfish, if you just leave them to die naturally, they can be here outside water for 12 hours and they're still alive, especially if they are stronger and bigger enough. But add salt to them without water and they will die. Apart from that, even if there's water, catfish, they survive in water with salt that is 0.5 ppb or below. If they're above that, it affects them. Tilapia, they are better. They can survive up to 1.0 ppb salt. So now, even if there's water and there's fish inside it, and you want to treat them with it, especially if they have wounds inside their body or their skins, Then you can also add fish to cure that lean, but make sure that you don't put it so high that the concentration will rise above 0.5. Now, if that is okay, you can use it to treat them, and that's how we also use it to kill them. So you might be asking what type of salt, either iron salt or non-iron salt, either stones or powder, whichever salt you can use. But even sometimes some people prefer the an iron salt because they are free of chemicals and those things. So you can put it there and it's fine. But whatever salt is available for you, you can use it. But for the killing of them, if you use the an iron or the stone ones, it will be difficult to work. But if it is a powder one, you put it on them, oh, you will kill them in a shorter period of time. So salt, if you are a fish farmer, you need to have salt around. It is one of your first aid, salt and bitter leaves. So we have other videos we talk about the benefits of bitter leaves in your farm and how to apply it. So check it out. So fish, they are livestock. So the earlier you learn the basics, the better. And to learn the basics, it is good to do it with experienced farmers. All of us didn't wake up one day and be fish farmers and we are successful. Personally, I traveled to Kumasi, stayed there, learned it, and came here and practiced it before helping others. Now, the learning could be several ways. You can either learn it through online, like this YouTube channel. You can follow it and learn more, or you can have physical learning by visiting farms or centers to learn, and that is the most effective and practical one. So now this is completely free online course. We teach you how to grow your fish successful. It's over 4 hours. This is something we could sell. We are giving for free. So check it out in the description or in the end screen. Watch that completely free video and thank us later. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Isa. Oh, this is share on this based on experience and research. Thank you so much. We have a nice setup. So this is 1,000 capacity fish pond. It's going to house 1,000 fish. It could be catfish or tilapia, but this farm we're going to house catfish. You can see the RAS system connected. Very beautiful. This will enable you not to change the water all the time. It makes the fish to grow faster and healthier. And for that matter, it's saving a lot of costs. So whether you have a farm already and you want to put up the RAS, you can simply do that for you. Or you just want to start everything completely set up. This is exactly what we have done for this farm and many more. You can also contact us and we do this for you. Even though we are located in Tamale, but distance is not always the barrier. We travel to a lot of places to provide this service to other farmers. Thank you so much and keep watching. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. This channel is for aquaponics and will help you solve your fish farming problems and will help you raise your fish without much headache. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, check it out, subscribe to that and learn more. And if you are there, thank you so much. And if you want to learn how to raise your fish and be successful, we have a completely free course, which is over 4 hours, completely free on the YouTube channel. Check it out, learn it, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Share, comment, and let's know your challenges in the comment section. Thank you.